Guys, I'm on the shore doing a little solo shell fishing. Tide to go out a little further. Should be someone here, but no one is. So yeah, get back to it. There's a little ancient horseshoe crab right here. I thought he was dead, but he's not. He got turned over. I'm gonna put him back in the water. But we're gonna put this guy back, man. There he goes. Let him do his thing. Right. So I'm sitting on the rocks here. I'm waiting for the tide to go down more. It's windy. Nobody's here. Solo shell fishing. Did look, make sure there's no seals around here. Don't want that. Because it was a great white that came in sound a couple weeks ago, so we don't want no seals. But yeah, I'm just waiting, and there's yeah. What else we got there? But yeah, it's just figured I'd capture the moment while I'm waiting. I'm not taking my phone in the water. I won't be on YouTube anymore. That's all I got, man. So, yeah, so my stuff down there. Gets better, I'll go out there. The water's not too bad. I'm ferret rod on Instagram. I had some pictures here the other day when it was nice, when the tide was high. But yeah, I'm going to do some shell fishing, and I just saved that horseshoe crab's life. So it's good. It's pretty cool. So yeah, mostly clams, few oysters. There's everything here. But I'm gonna wait till the tide is better and be a lot safer, man. But yeah, I got a half bushel of clams today. A good day, man. It's right here. The hot sauce. We'll suck one of these little babies down, baby. Here we go. Damn, that's good. I got a whole bunch more little ones. But, come on, man. That's what I'm talking about. It's very small, too. Tastes delicious. A little lemon juice, a little hot sauce. Fresh as can be, baby. Got it myself. Solo shell fishing. So. Now these are whole clams, whole oysters. No self-respecting New Englander would just have clam strips, order clam strips, or eat the clam strips, man. You gotta go with the whole thing here. That's what we're talking about. Got a couple oysters in there too, so that's good. Looking good, man. Can't wait to taste them. This is Quinny Eskimo. Here's my stuffed clams, my fried clams, whole belly, of course, from New England. That's what you gotta have, man, if you're a real New Englander. My raw clams with horseradish vinegar with the mother, and hot sauce, a little hot sauce on the stuffed clams. I got my good beer, got my Lion's Head beer. That's down in Cold Cracker country. I texted him and I asked him if he knew. He said he drank, well, quite a bit of it when he was younger. I think he was weaned on it, you know. But I used to get it going through Pennsylvania too, so, you know, I used to buy some and get some. But, yeah, tastes pretty good. I lost a lot of footage here. My phone is dying. But, yeah, I got all this stuff yesterday. Got a half bushel of clams. did all the stuff. I ate some raw clams yesterday too, and cooked some up. But yeah, so there you go, cold cracker. Oh, good with the clams. Got the nice raw clams there too. Oh, damn. Oh man, these are good. Yeah, I'm gonna suck this last puppy down too. That's part of the deal. Woo, the horseradish. Woo. But yeah, there's my dog down there. Yeah. So, yeah, did this morning. Got these yesterday. Had some stuff yesterday too. Got a nice fried clam, whole belly. Damn. My shelter. Okay. I'll set up a cot. I have to work on it a little bit. But yeah. Was it Canteen Cup Tuesday? No, it's Wednesday. Canteen Cup though. Oh, that's good. What's up? Queen the Eskimo. We're doing fine, man. Thank God for another day. My fresh stuff, just got it. Was out there all by myself out there. Waiting for the tide. Met a kid on the beach, good kid, old Eagle Scout, 4-year, in the 4th year of college. He's getting chills for his driveway. Lived on an island there. Real good kid. A lot of hope you got kids like that. So I was out there. There was a clam boat out there for her. I was out there by myself. Good, pretty good distance out there. We got lots of clams. It's good, man. Beautiful day. Down on the coast here in Connecticut. So, Queen the Eskimo. Got our good stuff there, man. I don't know where my tripod is. I'm sorry for the filming problems. I have some issues here with the equipment. So, but you take care and have a good day.